Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to get back old Logcat of an Android Studio. New Logcat is added in Android Studio Dolphin version as an experimental feature. Its design is different from the previous one. If you see, it has the color coding. The debug data is printed in some green color. Errors are in red color and so that. Plus, it has some different design for filters. And the log category is not there. The design is really simple and helpful to use, but some people are still not comfortable with the new Logcat. So to change this design, there are two steps. Yes, in just two steps, we can switch back to the old design. First, we have to go to settings of an Android Studio, and in the experimental section, you will see an option as enable new Logcat tool window. As this feature is still experimental in this version, we can choose to switch back to original one. So if I uncheck this checkbox, it will give me the old Logcat. Let's try that. I'm restarting the studio. Here it is. We have got our old Logcat back. Let's try printing some logs. Please note that this is available only in Android Studio Dolphin version. From the next version, which is Electric Eel, the new Logcat is added by default and it is no more experimental. For an instance, I have installed Android Studio Giraffe. Let's check that. This is Android Studio Giraffe, and if you notice, it has the new Logcat. Let's check if it has the option to switch back. If you notice, there is no such option to switch back to old Logcat. It means the new Logcat is constant from the version Electric Eel. So just to confirm, once again, if you want to use the old Logcat, you have to have the Android Studio Dolphin version. So that's it for this video. We will soon meet in the next one. Till then, keep coding. Bye.